Day I'm hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, 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 hustling. Every
Welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? Ha ha. What's going on? It's your boy Ski, and today we got a banger daily market news and analysis. So let's get right into the action. All right, our top story, hilariously, is Ripple. Ripple opens new office in SEC headquarters, just straight trolling them. Now, this is kind of a little funny thing. This is obviously fake, but they did in fact go into the same building and open up an office just as a straight troll. Now, on the H-bar giveaway update, right? On the H-bar giveaway update, I'm giving away 400 H-bar to one lucky winner because of getting 400 subscribers on YouTube. So I will be announcing the winner on August the 15th or when I get 400 subscribers on YouTube, whichever comes first. So if you're new here and you want to speed up that process, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Like this video. I'm going to be giving away a daily word every single day. As of right now, Carl is in the lead. He has 4. Ahmed, sorry if I'm saying your name wrong, has 3. Everybody else has 1. I'm tracking 8 total people. But I'm going to be doing a daily word every single day. Whoever has the most by the time I reach 400 subscribers or by the time I get August 15th, whichever comes first, I will be giving away 400. So stay tuned till the end of the video. I'm going to be giving away that daily word. But in the meantime, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Let's get back into the action. All right. Vechain. This is massive, right? Yeah, Vechain Carbon partners with Amazon's web services. So Vechain is a supply chain blockchain, and I'm actually very, very bullish. They're solving a real world problem, and they are partnering with the elites. And well, okay, here we go. Their partnership, after a detailed survey of a cloud service provides, as per blog, the partnership will aim to provide enterprise customers with reliable carbon emissions management systems. Super bullish news on VeChain, in my opinion, because the whole next wave, whether you believe in this or not, the next wave of the economy is for sure going to be the green economy. Like this, they will be the new oil companies. The solar panel companies will become the new oil companies. The new economy is the green economy. They do not care about the environment. They care about making money, and they know that they can make money on the green deal. So this is really, really bullish. Solving supply chain issues, which is a huge issue, partnering with the world elites like Amazon and solving green deal problems. So this is massive, massive, massive news for VeChain, in my opinion. Will be dollar cost averaging a little bit more on VeChain. Gucci will now accept ApeCoin through BitPay integration. So this is pretty cool. As you see, they have the huge logo up there. Cardano staking available in Swiss bank as ADA moves to crush Ethereum. Now, this bank is already offering. Here you go. Swiss banking stake, proof of stake currencies, ICP, Tezos. In addition, it becomes the first platform to offer ETH 2. So this is cool, man. This is really cool. In my opinion, this is what the bank, like, why do the banks care what currency it is? Their job is to hold the currency for you because you can't be trusted with your own stuff. Or at least that's what they think. So in my opinion, the banks are going to adopt this. They're going to adopt staking and take like 2% off the top. You know, maybe you make 9% if you do it yourself, and now you make 7%. Like, that's still cool. so that you take the risk out of your hands. So they're going to adopt this cryptocurrency or they're going to go out of business. Like, that is it. They're going to adopt or they're going to die. That is it. There is no in between. That is it. The banks are Blockbuster. Cryptocurrency is Netflix. That is it. They will laugh at it. They will scoff at it. They will adopt the technology or they will die. That is it. So good on this Swiss bank and moving in the right direction. Here's more on that. Robinhood crypto arm fined $30 million for being non-compliant. This was New York, I believe. Yeah, New York is fining them $30 million. So what happens with that? For Robinhood, I mean, $30 million is slap on the wrist. Now, if you're not following me on Twitter, go ahead and follow me on Twitter at Gajewskey. Swole is the goal, size of the prize. Let's take a look. We're having a slightly little bounce up day. We had a nice little pullback yesterday, but we're at $1.1 trillion almost. We love to see that. On the day, like mostly green, and the green is like way greener than the red. Is what I'm seeing. It's like kind of a mixed bag, but I would say like a 60-40. Ethereum Classic just pumping to the moon, creating a higher high. Like just on the day, like this is on the month, they're up 159%, which is absolutely crazy. This is nothing more than the miners going over here, adding liquidity, adding, I guess it would be market cap. Yeah, adding market cap to this project by mining it. So if you go over here to what to mine, I've typed in here we go. 43070 Ti's, which is, I have a rig of that. Those of you who don't know, I have a Bitcoin mining farm. One of my rigs is 43070 Ti's. And if you look down here, Ethereum net profit after electricity is on this rig is $6.16 per day. However, Ravencoin is right behind it, and even not even that far behind, less than $2, $1.50 less is Ethereum Classic, and they are supporting a bigger chunk of the network, 30 terahash, where Ethereum is at 900 terahash, and Raven is only at 2.6 terahash. So significantly more power is going here than here, and it's not that much far behind. In my opinion, if Ethereum Classic gets to like $60, $55, $60, it would completely overtake Ethereum in the mining profitability, which the miners go where the money is. So if Ethereum, if they haven't done the merge yet and Ethereum Classic becomes more profitable, guess what? The miners are going to Ethereum Classic. Either way, all this stuff is just news from the ETH merger that is coming up. On the charts, take a look at the DXY actually. Yeah, we're having a little pullback on the 5-day on the DXY, which is why stocks are recovering. This is an inverse correlation. Whatever the DXY is doing, the stocks and crypto are going to do the opposite. And for those of you that don't know what the DXY is, let's look. The DXY measures the strength of the US dollar in relation to a basket of other currencies. Euros, the yen, there's 5 other currencies, I believe. And it measures how strong it is. And it's just been on a moon mission. In reality, like if you look at this on the weekly, like look at this. This is crazy. Just on a moon mission, which is why crypto has been going down, which is why the stock market has been going down. It's because the strength of the dollar is up, and that means that people would rather have cash. And people really like just poo-poo on the US dollar, myself included. But in reality, we printed the US dollar to oblivion. No question about it. Not sustainable at all. the people they like poo poo on the U.S. dollar, right? And for good reason, because we have printed the U.S. dollar to oblivion. Not sustainable at all. Not sustainable at all. Since 2020, we have printed 80% of all the money that was ever printed in history was printed from 2020 until now. That is not sustainable, not at all. However, the US dollar, in relation to the other currencies, even though we have printed ours to oblivion, they have printed theirs to oblivion times two, which is why the DXY is running absolutely rampant on the charts, and which is why crypto's coming down, the US dollar's coming down. I'm sorry, not the US dollar. The stock market is coming down. But now we're having a little bit of a pullback because these things don't just go forever. All right. So, take a look at some Bitcoin. Look at the 5. Ooh, we're about to have a cross to the upside on the 5 hour. Could be bullish. Could be bullish. Every time this crosses, look, I'll give you guys a little snippet here. Look. Every time this crosses, either way, it's bullish. So, like, here's a cross. Right here. The cross. Here's a cross. Here's a clear cross. And even this, like, never crossed back. All right, so let's measure these moves. Each time it crosses, every time it crosses, it's for bullish or bearish. Very, very. All right, so let's measure this move. Here's a cross to the upside. I'm not even going to look at the chart. I'm sorry. I'm not even going to. I'm just going to do it from this day on the actual cross until the next time that it crossed again, which was right here. Okay. I'm not even going to do wicks. I'm going to do just the body. So this is 3 days, 14%. You can make a lot of money. Okay, same thing. Cross to the downside. This is the RSI. I'm not even going to do. Not even doing bodies. Negative 6%. Okay. But we're about to have a cross to the upside. What she's talking about. Body to body. Not even wicks. %. Like, crazy. This one was crazy, right? This was the most crazy, but it wasn't very clean, but we can just see 22% in 8 days. Craziness. Not that clean because it was kind of on top across, but this was a clean cross. You can see just straight down. This was a clean cross to the upside, straight up. So something to keep an eye on. It's kind of in the middle territory, so it might not be clean. So we'll see what it does, but it's something to keep an eye on. I will say we're moving into the full moon. The full moon territory, which is very bearish. Bearish energy. Game. Look, new moon. Look at this. Look at this pump. Now we're heading into the full moon. Full moon. It's like right in this area. Low. New moon. High. Full moon. Low. Okay. It's not the exact day, but it gives you the energy of the market, which is really all you need to know. We're still ranging here. We'll see what it does. This is kind of looking like a clear trend to the upside. We'll see what it does. It could be a bear flag though. Could be a bear flag, but it's been ranging here for a long time. And not only have we been ranging, But on the RSI, in this moment over here, we were so oversold, the most oversold that we've ever been in Bitcoin. So I'm not saying that the bottom is in, but I'm not saying it's not either. I think it's 50-50 that this bottom is in. I think we're going to range up here. I've been saying it. I think we're going to range up in here to 28,000, 38,000, up into September, October, and then the eclipses. At the end of the Shemitah, it's going to come back down here. We'll probably fill out these wicks right here at 17K. That is my prediction. But it's fine. If we go to 10K, that's fine. And if we don't fill out these wicks, if this is the bottom, then either way, I think it's a good time to be dollar cost averaging. So if you made it this far, you're a real OG, right? I'm going to shout you out regardless if you win or not. And I'm going to be doing giveaways every single step of the way, 500, 700, so on and so forth, all the way up to 320,000 subscribers on YouTube. I'll be doing giveaways every step of the way. But the word of the day is DCA, dollar cost average, because that is how you win in the cryptocurrency market. So if you made it this far, you want to enter into the contest, the 400 H-bar giveaway, comment down DCA, dollar cost average. Just DCA. You don't have to do dollar cost average. DCA. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on Twitter. All my links are in the description. But yeah, like this video. Subscribe to the channel and comment down DCA. Excuse me. But that is it for this time. Peace, love, prosperity. God first. God bless.
Hustling, 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 hustling. Every